Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn profile photo optimization with Canva easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to www.canva.com. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva homepage. In the search bar at the top, type LinkedIn profile photo and press enter. Browse through the available templates curated specifically for LinkedIn profile photos. Choose a template that resonates with your personal brand or professional image. Click on the selected template to open it in the Canva editor. Once the template loads, you can customize various elements. To upload your own photo, click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar. Select the Upload Files button to choose a picture from your device. After your photo uploads, drag it onto the template. Adjust the size and position of your photo to fit seamlessly within the design. You can also modify the background color or add graphics using the Elements tab. If you want to add text, click on the Text tab and choose from the text styles presented. Insert your name or a tagline that reflects your professional expertise. Make sure the text is legible and complements your profile picture. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select the Download option from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred file type, preferably PNG or JPEG for best quality. Click the Download button to save the optimized image to your device. Now, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Click on your profile photo to edit it. Select the option to upload a new photo and choose the image you just downloaded from Canva. After uploading, adjust the cropping as needed. Once everything looks good, save your changes. Your LinkedIn profile photo is now optimized and ready to enhance your professional presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.